Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about these LED grow lights that I've recently got from Amazon. And if you're doing a lot of indoor gardening and there's not much sunlight in your garden, then these lights really help. So I've used a different variation of this earlier and it worked pretty well. So I've got these new ones which have a little clamp like attachment, and even the neck is adjustable, so you can really focus the light wherever you want. So in this video we'll see the unboxing, we'll see what we've got in the box, and then we'll get to the demonstration part. Alright, so the very first thing that we have in the box is the user manual, and if you're a first time user of grow lights, you can definitely go through this. And then the next thing that we have is the actual grow light. So you've got this long enough cable which has a standard adapter, and then this is the clamp that I mentioned in the beginning, and this is how you can adjust the lights wherever you want. And the last thing that we have here are these E27 LED bulbs. So it's good that they have separated the main thing from the bulbs. Otherwise, it becomes difficult to replace them. With this, you can easily order a replacement in case if they go bad. And talking about the technicals, we can see that these are engineered to produce some kind of an extended spectrum, which includes a safe range of UV and IR. And this makes it a versatile option for indoor plants, ornamental plants, etc. And then here are some more technicals about the power supply, what kind of a bulb holder you have, and something more about the features. And then it talks about the application, like how long and where exactly you should place this light, and for how many hours you should expose the plants to this kind of a light. Okay, so that being said, let's quickly do the installation, which is pretty simple. You just need to screw in these bulbs over here. So that's about it, and now finally we can take it to the garden and see how it works. So for the demonstration part, I'll be taking these two broccoli plants and this rose plant as the example, and we'll see how we can fix the clamps and how we can adjust the lights. And here you can see that the clamp has padding on the inside, so it won't scratch the surfaces that you're clamping onto, and I think the spring is also of very good quality. So this clamping mechanism and the adjustable arms, I think, is the USP of this product, because you can attach this light anywhere, and then with the arms you can adjust the height of these lights from your plants. So this is how the lights look when they are turned on, and with these adjustable arms, like I mentioned, you can move the lights around wherever you want. So as the plant grows, you can move the entire light to a different place and then adjust the arms accordingly. And one more thing that I would like to add here is that this really works. So don't think that these are just some fancy lights and some kind of a gimmick. I've used one of their other products in the past, and even for this product you can see a lot of positive reviews. So this definitely works. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was informative. I would highly recommend these grow lights for all kind of indoor plants. And if you have any questions about this product, you can leave them in the comment section below. So thank you again for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel.